this video, I'm going to show you how I made this custom shaped open cell foam cup holder for the Cuptisserie. The nice thing with these is you can make them any shape to fit any shaped cup, and they're pretty easy to make. And let's go down to the shop and let's get started with it. Making a custom cup holder for your Cuptisserie is pretty easy if you have a lathe, but I'm going to show you how to make it using just a simple cordless drill and some other basic tools. So let's get started. So for this project I'm using a 2-inch open cell foam, and I have sheets of this stuff laying around, but what I have here is a 3.5-inch hole saw. Harbor Freight sells these sets for, I don't know, less than 10 bucks. But cordless drill, and I'm just going to drill into the foam. Now you won't get all the way through the sheet, but what you do is just flip it over, and there's the starter hole from the drill bit poking through, and you just poke it through the same hole, and that will cut you a piece like this. You need 2 of them for each cup. That one's not good. Alright, let's do another one. And there we go, we got 2 pieces, and let's move on to the next step. So on my drill I have a 3/4 inch spade bit, and what I'm going to do, let me get this out of the way, is very carefully go and hold these pieces of foam, start the drill, and just cut a hole through the center of the foam. It's not perfectly centered. It works much nicer on a drill press, but this is using hand tools. We'll move on to the next step. So what I've done here is I've taken a 1/2 inch piece of bar, round bar, wrapped some shipping tape on it, and then I have a piece of 3/4 inch PVC, which most Cuptisseries have as the arm. And I'm just going to slide the foam onto there. And you can see when I spin it, I'm going to take a razor blade and just kind of cut this to the shape I want for the Cuptisserie holder for the cup. So I just have a standard safety razor blade, and I'll just turn the drill on and hold it with one hand, and then work the open cell foam with the razor blade as it's spinning to get to the shape I want. And this is pretty much the shape I want, so let's test it out on a cup. Put the cup here, and it's a nice firm fit. We'll put the drill on a little bit slower speed, and it does spin nice and smoothly. So anyways, how you make a nice custom piece of open cell foam to hold your Cuptisserie cup on your Cuptisserie. If the video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have more videos coming, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.